So here it is, the new DJI Mavic Air. We just got this in. It hasn't even been released to the public yet, so I don't know any of the specs yet. Looks like 3 different colors: Arctic White, Flame Red, and Onyx Black. Looks like they sent me the black version, which I kind of like the Flame Red, but beggars can't be choosers. So let's open this baby up, see what it's all about. So inside the box, looks like there's a case that it comes with. Looks like a controller case. Oh no, it's actually the Mavic. This is literally the first time I've ever seen it. I haven't seen any photos. You can see right away, you're gonna unfold this. Pretty similar to what we're used to with the Mavic Pro, and then open this baby up. And that's the exact size there. It's not huge. Comparing it to the Spark side by side, you can see the size of the Spark versus the size of the Mavic Air. Comparing the two next to each other, pretty close in size. It's basically smaller than the Spark, and it's definitely a lot smaller than the Mavic Pro. You can see the 3 of them next to each other. We got the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro, and the Spark. This is too cool. I'm pretty excited about this. So it looks like we got the battery on the bottom here. The battery is a lot smaller than the Pro battery. This is gonna pop in the bottom there now, which is gonna kind of just pop in there, slide on like that, and then click in there. And then we're gonna have the camera here on the front. So the camera looks like it's kind of locked in there, similar to what we have with the Spark, but it looks like it's a 3-axis gimbal. Now, what I do like, what I am impressed with already by just looking at this, is how the camera is really tied up in there. So the camera is really protected inside of the actual drone. So with the Mavic, the camera's, kind of hanging out there in the front. So a lot of people, when they crash, the first thing that happens is they're going to crash and break the camera. Now with the Mavic Air, the camera's kind of tucked up inside there. So you see, even kind of rolling this here, it's not going to touch the camera there. In terms of the motors look similar to the Spark motors, but are a little bit more heavy duty looking. So then also here on the front legs, this is going to fold down like that. So this is going to give you a little bit more clearance, kind of similar to the Mavic Pro. So folding it back up, real simple and easy. And when you fold it back up, this is compared to my iPhone X. It's pretty close. It's pretty close to the same size as my iPhone X. So, side by side here, I would say it's almost the same size as my iPhone X. It's pretty close. It's really, really close. I'm spending way too much time just staring at this thing about how cool it is. You guys want to know the specs. You guys want to know the secrets here. And like I said, I don't even really know the secrets myself. I just got this in the mail today. I haven't flown it. I don't know the exacts yet, but I think we can figure out pretty quickly here just by looking at it. So we're going to have sensors on the front here, which we are used to with the Mavic Pro. It doesn't look like there's any sensors on the side. No sensors on the side. Got the sensors on the bottom like we're used to, but we do have sensors there on the back. So we have 2 sensors on the back, the sensors on the bottom like normal, and then the sensors on the front. So we do have the rear-facing sensors and the front-facing sensors. So you're not going to have full 360 degrees, but you are going to have the rear and the front, which is definitely going to help people when they're flying back and forth. So the camera looks similar to the Spark camera, but it's going to be 3-axis gimbal, unlike the camera on the Spark, which is 2-axis gimbal. So looking at what else is inside of the box here, looks like we do have a controller. So I was worried about that. I was worried about not possibly having a controller, possibly just having to use Wi-Fi on my phone, or having to buy a controller separately. Like I said, I haven't actually read anything about this drone or heard anything about this. It's totally top secret. Nobody knows anything about this. The controller looks very similar to the Mavic. What in the world? This is weird. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is something I've never seen before. Wow. In the past, one of the big issues with the controllers, they have these little knobs on the top. Right now, there's no knobs there. And you're probably wondering, well, where are the knobs at? Don't worry. Now, DJI, once again, stepping it up, always innovating, always fixing problems from the last generation. Now you're going to have these little knobs that actually fit inside the controller here. So when you fold this up, so when you're traveling, when you're not using it, so if I put it in my bag, if I pack it away, I don't have to worry about this breaking or having to put guards there or anything like that. I can actually take off the little thumb wheel things. So these actually just screw on there. Wow. I don't know if you guys are excited as I am, but this is a really big upgrade because I'm always traveling with this controller, traveling with the Mavic Pro, and the problem always is I'm worried about these breaking. And now I just screw these on there. It might not be a big deal to most people, but I think that's a really awesome upgrade It's the little things. It's the little things in life that make me happy. The little things that DJI, the little details that DJI focuses on that really impress me. And they're looking at all the little details. So they're addressing all of, not the problems, but all of the things that the Mavic Pro could be better at. I'll buy one right now. I would buy one if I didn't already have one here. So I guess I don't have to buy one, but I want to fly it. It's late at night. I've got to charge everything up here. Let's see what else is inside of here. And they're sending prop guards. They knew that I would crash this drone, so they sent me the prop guards in the box. Really cool upgrade. So just like that, it's gonna click on there, and now when I'm flying around the house later, my girlfriend won't be mad when I run to the walls because I can just run to the walls with my new prop guards on my Mavic Air. I do like how these just click right on there. They go right on the bottom of the motors. Simple and easy, just what you need. Boom, right on the bottom there. If you can see this, click on, no screws, nothing like that, no wires or anything. I just click it on the bottom. Prop guards are on the drone. We got some extra props in there. That's really nice. Always need extra props. I'm definitely gonna need the extra props before this is all over here. So opening this up here, this is all in Chinese. Where's the English version? There's no English version. They sent me the Chinese version. I don't know what any of this says. So I think this is one of the first models that have been sent out to anybody. And it's all in Chinese. So I can't even tell you guys the actual settings right now. We got the charger. We got charging cables. We got more charging cables. So we got everything we need to charge the drone inside the box. USB-C. USB-C plug and Android plug. So if you have a USB-C phone, if you have an Android phone, you'll have that attachment in the box there if you need to change that on your controller. So they sent me 2 extra joysticks because I'm probably going to lose these 2. So I need to keep these safe somewhere. And there it is. So it's all folded back up. I'm going to put it away in the box here. I really thought that this was going to be the controller when I first opened up the box. You can see how small it really is. I thought this was going to be the controller when I first opened it up. I was like, oh, here's the controller. And when I open it up, there's the Mavic Air. So it's lightweight, definitely lightweight. I'm going to be really interested to see how long this thing flies for, the exact settings, everything like that. But like I said, everything's in Chinese, so I can't tell you guys the exact settings just yet. I'm sure by the time this video comes out, you're gonna already know the exact settings, but maybe you guys don't know what comes in the box. And this is everything that comes in the box. You're gonna get the Mavic Air, you're gonna get the prop guards, you're gonna get the controller, you're gonna get the charger, the battery. And that's a pretty awesome little kit. I do not know the exact price yet. I'm filming this video before the Mavic Air has been released to the public. I want to get this video set up here. I'm going to be at the actual official release in New York, so I want to get this video ready for you guys to check out. First look here inside the box with the Mavic Air and get a close-up on how this compares in size to the Spark, which you can see side by side there. That's really similar in size. So a lot of people were very impressed with the size of the Spark. I was impressed with how small and easy and cool the Spark was, but now I've got a new drone. So I don't think I'll be flying the Spark much more. I'll keep flying the Spark. I do love the Spark. I do love the Mavic Pro, but I've got a new baby, and it's the Mavic Air from DJI. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting a ton, I mean literally a ton of videos that are gonna be talking about the Mavic Air soon. I'll be posting more videos, more information as we go along here, and I'll talk to you guys very soon, so stay tuned.